Now today I am going to start the chapter of algebra in mathematics. What does it means and how does it play role in aviation maintenance technology? All mathematical systems beyond arithmetic employ the method of algebra for computations. There may be simple computation formula, but sometimes it may be complex, and this algebra make it easier. Equation. In this, if the value of 2 is known, the third could be computed, and these values are in the term of symbols. For example, a plus b equal to c. So if a equals to 2 and b equals to 6, so if a plus b is added, we get the value of c, which is 8. The value will be either positive or negative sign. This could be seen in the equation. If it is greater than 0, it will precede by positive sign or no sign. But the number preceding by negative sign, it means it is less than 0. Algebraic addition. There is difference between algebraic addition and arithmetic addition. Here, as in arithmetic addition, all the values are preceded by positive sign. But in algebraic addition, it is not so. An answer may come in positive or negative sign as per the value which is being added. In algebra addition, the value of 5b cannot be added to 3c. It will be added to 2b, and 3c will be added to 6c, means b by b and c by c. Similarly, a by a. So the b, so here a, b, c are called the coefficient, etc. Now what is exponent? X to the power 2. So 2 is the exponent of x. It is read as x square, and in algebra the terms used is called literal numbers. For example, x plus y equals to z. Here x, y and z are all literal numbers. Now a concept which will be much easier to explain in this case. To solve or simplify the expression, 4a plus 5b minus 2a minus 6c plus 9b minus 3a plus 8c minus 3c minus 4b plus 3c. So we arrange this as in a vertical manner. In a first line, first in horizontal manner, we put 4a plus 5b minus 6c. Now in vertically, 4a will be followed by minus 2a, then followed by minus 3a. Similarly for b, plus 5b in below that, plus 9b and minus 4b below these two. Now in c, minus 6c plus 8c minus 3c and also plus 3. Now we will add, we will get the values as minus a plus 10b plus 2c. So it will be the, ultimately we will get this answer. In a case when only one literal numbers is given, be arranged so the all value of literal numbers in one side of an equation. Here it must be remembered the sign will change if we move from one side to another. For example, 5x plus 2 minus 3x equal to 14 minus 4x. 5x minus 3x plus 4x equal to 14 minus 2. So 9x minus 3x equal to 12. Therefore 6x equal to 12 or x equal to 2. An equation may be also known to you in this time. For example, let x equal to a smaller number and 3x is the larger number. Now on addition of x plus 3x we have 32. So it is 4x equal to 32 or x equal to 8. So the smaller number is 8 and larger number is 24, which can easily be checked by keeping the value in equation. Now what is algebraic subtraction? Here the sign of the subtrahend is changed by subtraction and it is added. For example, subtract minus 2x plus 3y plus 4z from 6x plus 5y minus 8z. So putting above 6x plus 5y minus 8z, below that minus 2x plus 3y plus 4z, and with a negative sign. So we will get as answer 8x plus 2y minus 12z on computation. Now, what is parenthesis? How it is used in algebra? Parenthesis in algebra can be better understood by an example. For example, you take 2 into in bracket 5 plus 6. Here in one case 2 will be multiplied by 5 as well as 6 separately, and the answer will come 2 into 5 equal to 10 and 2 into 6 equal to 12. Now 10 and 12 is added, the value will come 22. Also in another way, 5 plus 6 which is in the bracket are added and multiplied by 2. The value comes same, that is 22. Let us work for an example. Similarly in the case of subtraction sign between two numbers in bracket. Now multiplication. Here the new terms come monomials, binomials and polynomials. As monomials means 1, binomial means 2, and polynomials means 2 or more than 2. There are following rules to be applied during multiplication. Number 1, when two terms of like sign are multiplied, the sign of the product is positive. Number 2, when the two terms of the unlike sign are multiplied, the sign of the product is negative. Now division. It is the reverse of the multiplication. Example, 4a plus 6ab divided by 2a. It will give us 2 plus 3b. This was the case of monomial. But in the case of polynomials, example, 6x square plus 5xy minus 4y square divided by 2x minus y. Put as in the case of division, divisor and dividend and reminder, we put 2x minus y and we are dividing 6x square plus 5xy minus 4y square. So first we will multiply by 3x. Now 3x multiplied by 2x gives 6x square, and 3x again multiplied by minus y, which will gives minus 3xy. So we are since subtracting, so 5xy minus plus 3xy will give the value 8xy, minus 4y square will come down. So we will again multiply by 4y plus 4y will get 4 2 is 8xy and minus 4y square. So we will subtract, the value comes 0. Now order of operation. Now till we have learned all sign, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and equally in multiplication and division we learnt about monomial, binomial and polynomial, as well as parenthesis and use of bracket. Now by an example, we have to solve an example by an order of all this operation. Example, 7x plus 3 in bracket x minus y minus 8x minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 in bracket x plus 5 minus 3. Now see, according to parenthesis, 3 in bracket x minus y will become 3x minus 3y, and 2 in bracket x plus 5 will become 2x plus 10. So transposing 7x plus 3x minus 3y minus 4x minus 2 equal to 2x plus 10 minus 3y. Now combining we get 4x minus 3y plus 3y equal to 12, or x equal to 12. 7x plus 3x minus 4x minus 2x equal to 10 minus 2 plus 3y minus 3y. Now it is 10x minus 6x equal to 8, or 4x equal to 8. Therefore x equal to 2. So we have seen how algebra plays to solve complex problem which cannot be solved by simple arithmetic. Solve as much related problem from this concept as well as go through problems as in example which are also related to our field in various books and other books to understand more. Simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are those in which the same unknown terms are used. Usually there are two or more unknown terms in each equation. Equations of this types are independent of each other, but they may be solved by adding them together to eliminate one unknown number or subtracting one from the other to eliminate an unknown number. For example, 3x plus 2y equal to 30. That is equation number 1. Now another equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 10. We are adding 1 and 2. We get 5x equal to 40 because minus 2y and plus 2y cancelled, or x equal to 8. Now substituting in equation 1 the value of x, which has come as 8, 3 into 8 plus 2y equal to 30. That means 24 plus 2y equal to 30, or 2y equals to 30 minus 24. So y equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now checking by substitution in equation 2, 16 minus 6 equal to 10. Manipulation in simultaneous equation is done as case 1. 5x plus 4y equal to 46. This is equation number 1. Now second equation is 6x minus 2y equal to 28. So how we'll get this? How we'll solve this? Here we multiply by 2. So it will be 5x plus 4y equal to 46. We are multiplying 2 by 2 to the second equation. Now the second equation is 6x minus 2y equals to 28, which will become 12x minus 4y equal to 56. So when we are adding it, we get 5x plus 12x equal to 17x, and plus 4y minus 4y get cancelled. Now addition 46 and 56 will give 102, that is 102. Now x equal to 102 divided by 17, which is equal to 6. So putting in equation 1, 30 6 into 5, that is the value of x. 6 into 5, 30, plus 4y equal to 46. So 4y equal to 46 minus 30, that is 16. So y equals to 4. Now case 2, when it is desired to solve simultaneous equation by subtraction, because a term x or y cannot be eliminated by addition, it is necessary to change all the signs in one of the equation and then add. For example, equation 1, 3x plus 7y equal to 64. Now second equation is x minus 2y equal to minus 9. So 3x plus 7y equal to 64, and we are multiplying by here we are changing the sign of the second equation, that is by minus, and when we subtract, and we have to multiply by 3 also. So in the first equation it is 3x plus 7y equal to 64, and the second equation becomes minus 3x plus 6y equal to 27. So we'll see that 3x and minus 3x get cancelled, and 7y plus 6y becomes 13y, and 64 plus 27 becomes 91. That is y equals to 91 by 13, which is equal to 7. Now substituting the value of y in equation 1, we get the value of x, and it is 3x plus 7 into 7 equal to 64, or 3x equal to 64 minus 49. Therefore 3x equal to 15, or x equal to 5. Now factoring, it is same as in the arithmetic. For example, ABC, if in the binomial AB plus BC, here B is common, so B and A plus C are the factors.